Hello everyone, you're Reshmi here from Your Eyes Fashion. Hope you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your great support, understanding, cooperations. Please keep it up. And today I have selected some exclusive handloom collections only for you. So let me display. Very beautiful one, bright color. Let me open. Pure handloom pure resham silk by cotton weaving. Same material today I have draped with beautiful white golden zari weaving border. Let me open. This one is full base part. Full base is beautiful multi-color weaving polka design, and this one is golden zari border, and this one is base part pure resham silk by cotton weaving, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fully tested soft golden zari self weaving design. Pallu very exclusive one, soft, comfortable, and this one is border portions very beautiful one, wide soft golden zari with beautiful tangail weaving design, peacock motif design. Very nice one, smart, elegant looks. Pure resham silk by cotton. Same material today I have draped, and this one is full base part. Very beautiful, and I will suggest this silk material with weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your beautiful elegant party looks. Very nice one. And this one also very exclusive one, very trendy, smart looks, traditional also, premium quality, pure handloom, pure resham silk with sail sequence stripes design, and border also beautiful one, fine stripes pattern border. This one is full base part. This one is border fine golden with contrast red stripes border, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also muslin pure resham silk with beautiful sail sequence stripes design. This one is pallu, and this one is full base part, very beautiful one, and this one is half matka part. Half part is matka, premium quality, pure handloom hand spun matka half with border, and half part is resham, pure resham silk with silk sequin design. Very exclusive one, soft, comfortable. This portion is upper portion transparent with silk sequin stripes, and this one is a matka base, and this one is running blouse piece. Very exclusive, smart, trendy looks, traditional also, and I will suggest this silk material weaving polka work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. Also very beautiful one, bright color, black with natural fabric, pure handloom lane by lane natural fabric with beautiful weaving design border. This one is full base part, premium quality, pure handloom natural fabric lane by lane. This one is contrast color 1 inch border with beautiful weaving design. Very nice one, soft, comfortable, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fine golden zari stripes with beautiful golden zari jamdani weaving buta. Very exclusive one. This one is border portions, beautiful weaving design. Very nice one, smart, elegant, bright looks, premium quality, pure handloom natural fabric lane by lane with beautiful weaving design border. Very nice one, very smart looks. This one is running blouse piece. This one is full border portions. Very beautiful looks, contrast color 1 inch border. Very exclusive one, soft, comfortable, smart, trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material with weaving buta work contrast blouse piece for this saree for your elegant exclusive looks. And this one also very beautiful exclusive design. Let me open. Pure handloom hand spun matka with meenakari work weaving jacket weaving border, and beautiful exclusive design. Pallu also. This one is full base part, bright maroon red shade, and this one is fully weaving golden zari jacket weaving border. This one is border, beautiful one, fully weaving, and this one is full base part, meenakari weaving buta. Very exclusive one. This one is pure handloom hand spun matka base with meenakari buta. Very exclusive one, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also beautiful one, pure gicha threaded weaving design. Pallu, very exclusive one, highlighted golden zari stripes line with beautiful weaving design, very exclusive one, exclusive design also. This one is full base part, pure handloom hand spun matka with minakari buta jacket weaving border, very exclusive one. This one is running blouse piece, this one is bright maroon red shade, soft, comfortable, pure handloom one. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving work, Banarsi weaving work, contrast blouse piece for this saree, for your exclusive outstanding party looks. And this one very trendy smart looks, pure handloom natural fabric, lane by lane with beautiful hand batik print, very exclusive smart looks. This soft, comfortable, this one is full base part, beautiful one, fully hand batik natural fabric, lane by lane with beautiful batik printed. This one is pallu part, and this one is full base part, beautiful batik printed one. This one is border printed, and this one is full base part, and base is natural fabric, lane by lane, very exclusive one, soft, comfortable, smart, trendy looks. And this one is running blouse piece, this one is full base part, very smart one. And I will suggest this silk, soft silk material printed contrast blouse piece for this saree, for your elegant looks also. And this one is very exclusive one, beautiful work, very elegant also, beautiful color also. Premium quality pure handloom tissue silk by Lien weaving, and full base part is beautiful silver zari weaving buta. This one is full base part, this one is 1.5 inch silver zari border, very smart fine looks. And this one is full base part, beautiful tested silver zari weaving buta, and this one is full base part, beautiful one, soft, comfortable, premium quality pure handloom tissue silk by Lien, very exclusive one. This one is running blouse piece, this one is full base part, silver zari weaving buta, and this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, golden and silver zari contrast weaving design, very elegant exclusive work, fully hand weaving work design, pallu very nice one, highlighted silver zari line, beautiful elegant color. And this one is border, and this one is full base part, beautiful buta. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving, self weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree, for your exclusive smart trendy looks. Very exclusive one, pure handloom hand spun matka with resham cell sequin design, shivori dye, very exclusive work. Let me open, beautiful color combinations also. This one is full base part is pure handloom hand spun matka, very soft, comfortable, feather like soft. And this one is beautiful pure handloom hand spun soft matka, and this one is stripes, resham, pure resham silk stripes with cell sequin design. This one is full base part, same stripes pattern, full base. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, pure resham silk with jamdani buta design, cell sequin stripes, and golden and silver zari contrast jamdani weaving buta, fully hand weaving jamdani buta, cell sequin stripes, pure resham silk base, pallu. And this one is matka, pure handloom hand spun feather like soft matka with resham stripes with cell sequin stripes design. And this one is half portion, split portion, beautiful shivori dye with resham silk sequin stripes, very exclusive one. This one is full split section, this one is splits, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is upper base part, beautiful one, beautiful combinations also, beautiful beautiful resham silk stripes with cell sequin design. And this one is splits, very exclusive one, soft, comfortable. And pallu is pure resham silk with jamdani buta cell sequin stripes, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree, for your exclusive looks, very beautiful exclusive one. And this one also, you know, very nice one, pure handloom charka cotton with beautiful weaving pattern, very nice one. Let me open. Soft, comfortable, elegant one. This one is, you know, full base part, beautiful work, stripes pattern and beautiful weaving design, full base part. This one is contrast color border with beautiful weaving highlighted stripes lines, and this one is stripes with weaving design stripes, also beautiful one, fully hand weaving design stripes pattern, very exclusive one, pure handloom charka cotton with beautiful weaving pattern, very nice on contrast color border, exclusive looks. This one is full base part, same weaving pattern, stripes pattern, weaving design. This one is running blouse piece, contrast color, and this one is, you know, pallu end also very beautiful one, contrast color with beautiful stripes pattern, pallu, very exclusive one. This one is border, premium quality, pure handloom charka cotton, very exclusive, trendy, smart looks, very elegant also. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, trendy, exclusive looks, very elegant one. This one, you know, very exclusive design, exclusive work also, premium quality, pure handloom charka cotton with beautiful weaving design, buta border and pallu also. Let me open. Very exclusive design work. This one is very soft, comfortable. This one is, you know, full base part, beautiful fine hand weaving design, buta. This one is soft, comfortable, pure handloom charka cotton, and this one is, you know, border, beautiful weaving design, peacock motif weaving design border, fully weaving pattern, hand weaving design, contrast color, and this one is full base part, beautiful work. This one is full base part, buta with fine weaving, hand weaving buta design, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is, you know, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, highlighted weaving design, and this one is beautiful peacock motif weaving pattern, very beautiful, traditional, elegant looks, soft, comfortable, summer friendly, premium quality, pure handloom charka cotton with beautiful weaving design, exclusive one and soft, comfortable one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant, exclusive looks, very nice one, beautiful work. Very beautiful, elegant one. And this one also, you know, very nice one, trendy, smart looks and elegant also, premium quality, pure handloom charka cotton stripes pattern, contrast border and full stripe, full base stripes with beautiful weaving stripes design. Let me open and explain. This one is, you know, full base part, beautiful one, contrast color border, highlighted weaving design on border portions, and this one is full base part, beautiful stripes with beautiful weaving design, stripes, highlighted stripes, very exclusive one, white base. This one is contrast border, and this one is weaving design stripes, very exclusive one, soft, comfortable, pure handloom charka cotton with beautiful weaving design stripes, full base part. This one is running blouse piece, same body set, and this one is, you know, full base part, pure handloom charka cotton, pure cotton. This one is full base part, contrast border, highlighted stripes, weaving stripes, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, trendy, elegant looks, very exclusive one. For a quick order, just take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Our WhatsApp number is 9933421233. Keep browsing our website. There are many beautiful collections. You can make online order through our website also. All over India, we have free shipping, cash on delivery. Also, you know, very beautiful one, beautiful work also. Let me open. Spun silk, pure handloom spun silk with contrast stripes pattern border, and, you know, full base part is beautiful weaving buta design. This one is, you know, full base part, very soft, comfortable one. This one is border, stripes pattern, contrast color stripes pattern, border, and this one is full base part, beautiful soft silver zari weaving buta design, very exclusive one, smart trendy look, pure handloom spun silk with buta silver zari weaving buta design. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fully silver zari weaving heavy work, fully hand weaving design. This one is full weaving design, pallu very exclusive one, soft comfortable, and this one is full base part, very exclusive smart trendy looks with stripes border, very elegant one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart trendy elegant exclusive looks. This one also very bright one, beautiful looks, also very bright one, bright orange, premium quality, pure handloom silk cotton with beautiful weaving design, dobby weaving, very exclusive looks, golden zari border, bright orange shade. And this one is full base part, beautiful weaving design buta, fully dobby weaving design buta, and this one is border. This one is beautiful fine weaving buta, and this one is full base part, premium quality, pure handloom silk cotton, golden zari border, and fully beautiful weaving buta design. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color green with golden zari dobby weaving design, pallu highlighted stripes with beautiful temple weaving design. Pallu very nice one, exclusive smart trendy looks. This one is beautiful dobby weaving pallu, and pallu end is beautiful temple pattern weaving design, very exclusive one, highlighted the pallu part, very nice one. And this one is full base part, weaving buta, golden zari, bright orange shade, premium quality, pure handloom silk cotton, very exclusive one, best for your party wear also. And I will suggest this silk material checks with buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart trendy bright exclusive party looks. And this one is very beautiful one, natural fabric, pure handloom natural fabric, lane by lane with weaving design, card pattern weaving design, very exclusive one. And border also, one portion is golden zari border, one portion is silver zari border, and this one is full base part, beautiful one. This one is border portions, beautiful weaving design, jamdani buta, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, weaving design, very nice one, highlighted golden zari, highlighted the pallu, and this one is beautiful weaving buta, very exclusive one, soft comfortable, premium quality, pure handloom natural fabric, lane by lane. One portion is silver zari border, one portion is golden zari border, and this one is beautiful weaving jamdani weaving buta, very exclusive one. This one is running blouse piece plain, and this one is full piece, but beautiful color combinations also. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright beautiful smart looks. So very beautiful elegant one, pure handloom natural fabric, lane by lane with beautiful weaving pattern, beautiful elegant color also. This one is full base part, soft comfortable elegant looks. This one is full base part, and this one is border design, fully hand weaving border, silver with white threaded contrast weaving design, fully self weaving pattern. This one is highlighted temple weaving design with silver touch, very exclusive one. And this one is full base part, beautiful one, natural fabric, lane by lane with buta weaving, hand weaving buta design, very nice one, smart trendy elegant looks, soft comfortable one. This one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece, beautiful border, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very nice one, fully stripes pattern, contrast colors, highlighted stripes pattern, weaving stripes with beautiful floral jamdani buta pallu, very exclusive one, smart trendy elegant looks, soft comfortable, pure handloom natural fabric, lane by lane. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with design for your trendy smart looks. And today I have draped a beautiful saree, as I mentioned before, pure resham silk by cotton weaving. And this one is border, soft comfortable one, golden zari border with beautiful weaving design, Tangail weaving design, peacock motif, Tangail weaving design, border portion, very exclusive one, white golden zari border. And this one is base part, full base is beautiful golden zari polka weaving. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully golden zari self weaving heavy work, very exclusive one, beautiful border, Tangail weaving design, and base is pure resham silk by cotton weaving, very exclusive one, bright red maroon shade, beautiful one. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, keep browsing our website, stay healthy, have a good day, take care. Thank you so much.